Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see what we got here. Coldest. The limitless series. Oh, wow. This is good for putting in the car. Don't you think so? Let's open it up. Moment of truth. Da 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 da. Oh wow! There is one lid. There is another lid. Oh my goodness! Oh, there is one. Oh, this is so long. This straw. This must be for giraffe. This is for giraffe. And this one is for, what else has long neck? Giraffe. This is a giraffe straw. This one. 宝贝儿，什么东西有长脖子? This one is for, let me think, for cigogne. The cigogne. This one is for crane. And this one is for crane and oh gosh, for giraffe. Which one is for me? Okay. Oh my goodness, there is another thing. Oh wow. This is a camping gear. Oh my goodness. This is so big. So big. So. Oh. Here is a tool. You can put it here. Comme ça. Wow. How big is this one? Oh my goodness. This is so so big. And this must be for the filter. As I can I do not know. No, this is not. This is for what? This is for this, must be. Gosh, this is so big. It's for a whole family. You can tie it here and tie it here. You need a degree to understand how these things work. You can press. Open, press, open, straw. Straw here. This is a little bit complicated for my little brain. No, this must be another way. Close one, close A. Close A. Close B. Oh my goodness. Do you have to be so complicated? You do, right? If we can make life complicated, why do we bother to make life simple, right? This is this, and this one, I still cannot figure out what is this for. Take it out. And this is for this. Okay, got it. This is for this. That's it. It's like in my home, we always have a hot water bottle at home. That will do the job. Voila!